Ethan is so excited with this toy.
Bumblebee controller. Bumblebee controller. Oh, the little tower. I gotta choose them. Let's open that toy. Bumblebee. Bumblebee sensor too. That's awesome.
This one is called
Sensor Bumblebee.
Robot Race Car.
Wow.
Wow, here it is.
I
Open
choose
it.
them. What the? How did the bumblebee do that? What? How did he? I love mommy.
You like it?
Yes. What? He not flip? How did he do that?
So this is how it is on the floor. Oh, he did that himself. He's in a little house. Oh, what's he doing? Did he do that? Did he do that himself, Ethan? Give him a little push. Ethan, help him. A little bit of push. Push him out a little bit. Yeah, there you go. See what can he do. So this one works best on the tile. Let's move to the tile. Can you come to the yellow guy? Here you go, friend. Oh, he's knocking Ethan Bumblebee. Can you transform back? The red guy? Ethan, that's not nice. Hey, now he cannot get up, Ethan. Oh, there it is. Wow, this guy, he can flip. Look at he can flip. How is he gonna get up now? Oh, he make his weight up. Oh, wow. What is your idea?
This is yours. And this is mine.
Ethan is the commander now.
Come and get Ethan.
Come on, let's battle.
If you can. But you can.
Oh, where is he going? Oh, he's ready to fight. He transformed. Oh my goodness, look at this heavy cloud.
I saw the nose.
You see the nose?
Yeah, it's over here. The nose is funny. I'm afraid.
You see the nose, Ethan?
Yeah.
We're gonna have a heavy rain and storm. Look like something is flying here. Does it look like something? A duck, maybe? A turtle? Turtle cannot fly.